Learn chapter number 12. It's called Building a PNR. This particular chapter will deal and give you opportunity to learn that how in a CRS system, that is what we are learning today is Amadeus, starting from step number or process number 1 till PNR creation. So starting from looking the availability of a flights for a particular city pair to how to generate a PNR and complete the booking. So this is the chapter which will give you opportunity that all segment required for a booking you have already learned. Now let us create in a full set. So before creating a PNR, as you have already learned that how to retrieve already existing PNR by using the command retrieve command, that is RT. So here we are going to start from neutral availability command, because to demonstrate we need neutral availability command for 18th of July between Frankfurt and Rome, flight departing 100 hours. 100 hours. So this is neutral availability as per departing time. So this is the display of flight available between Frankfurt and Rome Fiumicino, FCO, and it is as per the departure time. So you can see that 905 hours the flight is starting. Now we have to book one seat, so you know very well that seats, selling seat segment, so SS, one seat in C class on Alitalia flight, which is Italian airline, departing at 1155 hours. So it is a AZ code which is departing at 1155. So it is coming to line number 3. So here is Alitalia, 18 July, Frankfurt to Rome. The flight details are here. Now we have to add passenger name record. So NM, since one passenger, so 1. Surname, you have to be very careful writing surname. So Sugar, Charlie, Harry, Rover, Oscar, Eagle, Delta, Eagle, Rover, Water, Mr. Now in element number 1, name element has been added, Mr. W. Schrödinger, with the flight details. Now let us add a client phone number, and you know the command used for adding phone is AP at Frankfurt, which is 069 230 858. Space, it is depend on you whether you want to create a space or not, and since this is a business phone, so we have to add -B. Now client home phone number, so AP Frankfurt again 069 22 3774, and that is home, so H. Arrange ticketing for 17th of July. So ticketing time limit, here we are going to give 17th of July, as you know that 18th of July is the departure time. So at least, although it depends on the airline to airline, but right now at least 1 day prior to your departure date. So let's say TKTL ticketing time limit 17th of July. Element number 5 added. Now reservation was received from passenger, so received from passenger. So this is a basic of creating a PNR. Now we can use ET, end of transaction, and remove from work area, or ER, end of the transaction, and redisplay the PNR. So let us use ET. The end of transaction means this booking process is complete, and after that it will show the 6 alphanumeric digits, which will be a PNR. So here Charlie 2 Father Rover 9 Eagle is the PNR created through Amadeus offline system. So which entry will use to end of transaction and redisplay of PNR, and then remove from area, ignore and retrieve the PNR. So IR. Now let us go to the another example that a client plans to travel 22nd of August from Frankfurt to Miami, and he would like to get the flight which is having shortest elapsed time to display availability. As you know that to get elapsed time availability, you use AE command 22nd of August between Frankfurt to Miami. This is availability between Frankfurt to Miami, and as per elapsed time. So here you can see the first line is showing 950 hours for flight duration, and rest is increasing order. Now let us book 2 seats in Victory class having shortest elapsed time, that is Lufthansa. So it is segment number 1. So we have booked that. Now we have to see the return availability. So ACR on 30th of August. So ongoing from Frankfurt to Miami 22nd, and now we want to see Miami to Frankfurt on 30th of August. Here is the flight, available flight, showing the again as per elapsed time, the shortest flight. Here again we have to book cell segment, 2 seats in V class having Lufthansa flight direct. So there is only Lufthansa flight in segment number, element number 1. So we have booked both the flights from Lufthansa, same class Victory, 22nd departure from Frankfurt and 30th August departure from Miami. So return journey. Now we have to add 2 passengers, that is Mr. and Mrs. Wurlitzer. So here since there are 2 passengers, so NM2, then Water, Union, Ruga, Lima, India, Tango, Zebra, Eco, Rover, slash K Mr. slash H Mrs. Now we have a name element with the 2 passengers already entered. Now we have to enter the phone. So phone of Frankfurt and passenger number 1, which is a business phone number, 069 464 574 business, and since it is passenger, so 1, so passenger number 1. Home phone number, since they are family members, so home phone number will be same, so no need to give P1 or P2, but again Frankfurt 069 422 533 and then home. Client want to purchase 10 TKTL on 19th of August. Here is ticketing, and separately receive from passenger as well as end of transaction can be used together. So RFP semicolon ET, end of transaction, and showing the PNR. So this is end of transaction. You are able to see this 6 alphanumeric PNR number, Charlie Harry Gold 5 Yankee Union. So let's review the entry for ending and ignoring the transaction. ET. Which entry is used to ignore and remove from? ignore. Okay, ignore and what happened? Okay. Which entry is used to end a transaction and remove from OEP, ignore and display. Okay, RFP, semicolon, EP, and here comes the end of the lesson. So in this building PNR chapter, we have tried to see the availability command, whether it is at by departure time or arrival time or elapsed time. Then after availability, we have to book the journey to and fro, as well as we have to enter the name. Here we have entered the two names. We have to enter the telephone contact element, business phone number, as well as home phone number, as well as ticketing element, that when passenger wanted to have a ticket by payment, and finally end of transaction. So this is the end of the chapter.